New details tonight in a Target 12 investigators exclusive drug doubts. The first new Alzheimer's drug in nearly 20 years was approved in a recent and controversial FDA decision, and it's now being given to patients in Rhode Island.
Probably have the most experience in the world with the medicines, and hopefully we'll get to the waiting list more quickly once a coverage decision has been made.
The drug comes with a staggering price tag. As we reported last night, so far, no health insurance companies in the region have pledged to pay.
New tonight, records show even if they do, it will likely still be a big out-of-pocket cost. Target 12 investigator Tolly Taylor is here now with the exclusive details.
The Food and Drug Administration asked an 11-member advisory committee to review the clinical trials for the Alzheimer's drug Aduhelm last year. None of them voted to approve the drug, but the FDA did anyway. Dr. Stephen Soloway says he's been involved in the clinical trials for Biogen's Alzheimer's drug Aduhelm since 2013. He says the drug can be effective.
In the early stage of Alzheimer's, people are pretty independent, and so we want to preserve that independence as long as possible.
The Department of Health confirms for Target 12 that in Rhode Island, Aduhelm is only being administered at Butler Hospital. And Soloway says 4 patients are currently receiving the monthly infusions, with 100 on the waiting list. Soloway says Biogen never paid him for the roughly 6 years of clinical trials he conducted, but that the company has paid him for other services.
I've been teaching radiologists and neurologists how to recognize and manage the side effect, and I've received some payment for that.
Those side effects? Brain bleeding and swelling. Dr. Caleb Alexander is a member of the FDA's advisory committee and says he voted against approving the drug in part because 40% of the patients receiving the high dose in clinical trials experienced brain swelling or bleeding. But more than that, he says, is that one clinical trial showed no benefit in patients while the other showed only a slight benefit.
It's not in anybody's interest to have access to a medicine that may not work and that may not be safe.
It provides a lot of hope for patients and families. That's why so many people are on our waiting list and are eager to get it.
Medicare announced in July that it would make an initial decision about whether to cover the drug by December. But if it does, the cost burden could be historic, according to research by the nonprofit Kaiser Family Foundation. Nearly 2 million Medicare recipients used Alzheimer's treatments in 2017. If half of those people are prescribed Aduhelm with a price tag of $56,000 per year, the cost to Medicare would be roughly $57 billion in a single year, approximately the same as all hospital outpatient services in 2019. And as Alexander emphasized, all of this cost would be for a drug that, in his analysis, doesn't improve patient outcomes.
The high-dose group actually had no significant clinical benefit from receiving the drug. That's very, very hard to explain.
The Rhode Island and Massachusetts affiliates of Blue Cross Blue Shield say they'll make a decision about whether to cover Aduhelm in the next few weeks. With the Target 12 investigators, I'm Tolly Taylor, 12 News.